Peter, would you like to comment on this article number 2?
Okay, yes. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Ms. Wu on writing such a great paper. This is definitely not an area that I am familiar with, but when reading the introduction, it gave me a very clear idea of where the research is, why it is important, and what they are trying to achieve. And also continued on through the results, and the discussion was also very good in terms of where is it potentially going in the future. I was very impressed with the writing for this abstract. So thank you.
Peter, about
I totally agree with Mr. Peter. I think it's going to be a paper better than I wrote once.
okay.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Okay. Just some of my comments for you. Keywords are needed. Okay. All right.